Hey guys, I'm NaturallyMsToya. Welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. I really hope you guys are enjoying your summer or what has already begun of it. Okay, so basically summer is here, and one of the things that you really want to focus on when it comes on to summer, well, two things. A really nice summer body and clear skin. So you guys know I already have a skincare video up on my channel, so I already made a video showing you guys how I keep my skin clear and how I get rid of acne and all of that. But with that being said, I really wanted to share with you guys something that I have been doing to keep my skin clear for the past couple of weeks. I have been trying out a new product and I really wanted to review it for you guys. So I'm just going to basically tell you guys about the product, as well as I'm going to give kind of like a slight demonstration within the video. So this product is really good for persons with severe acne, as I said. And yeah, I'm basically just going to share with you guys how I keep my skin clear, or how I have been keeping my skin clear for the past couple of weeks. So I really want to show you guys how my skin reacts, and also I tried this product out on my mom, so I'm going to show you guys how it did on her as well. But she has severe acne and I just have a couple of breakouts in my T-zone from time to time, especially when I'm really lazy to wash my makeup brushes. But if you guys want to see how I have been keeping my skin clear and hear all about this new product, then all you have to do is just keep on watching. Okay, so today I will be reviewing the Shopmystiquebeauty Acne Fighting Facial Cleanser, and this is what it looks like. If you guys follow my Instagram, then you will have already probably been introduced to this product, because I did share it saying that I was going to do the review a couple weeks ago. So the product launched in Jamaica a few weeks back, and it now goes for $3,000. So let me just tell you about the product. Let's start with the packaging first. So this is how the product comes packaged in a white bottle. It has a foam squirter, I think that's what it's called. The product comes out like a foam, so you just squeeze the thing down and it comes out like a foam. On the bottle it says it's a unique acne fighting formula that unclogs pores and exfoliates skin to improve complexion. So yeah, it shows you all the active ingredients on the back of the package. It shows you the directions to apply, warnings, and also drug facts about the product. So the package has basically all the information that you will need to know when you're going to be using the product. So the main ingredients in this product are tea tree oil and salicylic acid. If you do research in terms of what you use on your skin, and so you know tea tree oil is really good, and so is salicylic acid. So both those ingredients are in this product, and I think that's really cool. So for the consistency of the product, it comes out like a foam, as I said before, and it really comes out a lot, so you do get enough to distribute all over your face. So basically the directions are, you just squirt out, one pump is good enough. One pump does it for me, and I just rub it in circular motions all over my face. You leave it on for a minute and then you just go ahead and wash it off. So the formula of the product in itself is actually very moisturizing. You can feel it clean in your skin. The smell is clean. I love the smell of it. It kind of smells like Dettol. So if you're not really a big fan of that, then you know this may not be something that you will want to try. But I like the smell of it. The smell of it is very clean in my opinion. It's very sturdy. It has a lot of slip, so it's not drying. The formula in itself is not drying. But when it washes off and your skin dries, your skin is going to be very dry. So that's one of the warning things. It can be a little bit drying, so you really want to follow up with a very good moisturizer. And that's the only problem. That's not even a problem, but it's the only fault that there is about this. But I love the smell, I love the consistency of the formula and everything, so I don't have a problem where that is concerned. Okay, so I have some information on the product on my phone. I'm just going to basically tell you guys what I have here. It's dermatologist tested, so it is approved. The main functions of the product are to unclog pores, to exfoliate, even skin tone, and it also prevents future breakouts. If you want to purchase the product, you can get the product at Shop 15 Springs Plaza, and that's in Halfway Tree, and that is known as Shop Fashion and Era store. So if you ask around, you could just ask for Shop Fashion and Era, and you will be directed to where the product is sold. It is originally made in the USA, and as I said before, the cost of it is 3,000 Jamaican dollars. Now, I've been using this for weeks, and my mother has been using it for weeks, and I have not even near half the bottle as yet. So I really think it has a lot of product in it, and I appreciate that it comes with a lot of products, so you really do get your money's worth where that is concerned. I've been using it for, it's still very heavy, so I think that's pretty good. I think what really helps it to last that long is the fact that it comes out like a foam. I really love that it comes out already like a foam, and it comes out in a soapy form, so you can already just you know, all you have to do is just rub it into your skin and that's fine. So when I just started using the product, my skin really wasn't adjusting to it as yet. So basically what was happening was I was getting really dry, especially in my T-zone. When I do apply it, I tend to concentrate the product in this area, and that's usually where I get my breakouts. So for a little bit of background on my skin, I have combination skin. I do get oily in my T-zone and the rest of my face is basically dry. I have very dry skin and I get oily in my T-zone. So basically when I do apply the product, I try to concentrate the product in my T-zone where I normally get my breakouts. I have really small pimples here and around my nose and in my forehead. You can barely see them. But from time to time I do get breakouts, and I only get breakouts basically in this area. So I try to concentrate the product there when I'm washing my face, and all I do is just rub the product on, and then I go ahead and I wash my face off completely, and I usually allow it to either air dry or I towel dry it. So that's basically all I do. Now I have been using the product on and off because I was experimenting this product on my mom first. So I'm going to insert a picture of her before and after with like a timestamp on it so you guys can see the progress of her skin. Now I'm not really sure how consistent she was being with the product, but for me I was using it every day for a couple of weeks until I stopped when I had to leave it so she could use it. So I was being pretty consistent, and I really don't think being too consistent or not being consistent enough really prevents the product from being effective. If you miss a couple days, I don't think it's a big deal. It really will do what it really does for you anyway. It literally dries out the pimple. So I'm assuming that's how it gets rid of the blackheads and so on. It also serves to exfoliate, as I said before, so it gets rid of the darker spots that you may have. It fades them out completely, and I just really love the fact that it's very simple. The person that made this, she's also Jamaican, so go ahead and support her. I really think it's a very good product. If you do have prolonged acne, something that you've been trying to control for the longest while, I'm pretty sure if you give this a try, then you will see a change, because I'm telling you, it literally dries out the pimples, and that's how it really shrinks them and just gets rid of them completely. So yeah, that's basically it. I've been using it for a couple of weeks. I think I'm going to be going back on it. I'm going to try to find a before and after of me, but I didn't really get to record a before and after simply because my mother was using it for most of the time. This is not the only product on the skincare line. She also has facial toners, acne treatment gel, I believe that's what it's called. All the information, I'm going to leave it in the description bar so you can go on over and check it out. I'm pretty sure, I think she does also offer shipping, so if you're in the US you can also get this product as well. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope this helps you guys. I have been using it and I really love it. I really love the way my skin feels after I use it and everything. Alright, so also one person is going to be able to win a bottle of the acne fighting facial cleanser. So for the giveaway, I'm going to just make it really simple. So here are the rules. Follow my Instagram at NaturallyMsToya. Follow Mystique Beauty's Instagram. I'm going to leave all the information in the description bar as well as you can see it on your screen right now. Follow Mystique Beauty's Instagram, follow my Instagram, and all you have to do is just comment below this video and tell me your skin type. That is it. Only those 3 simple rules for you to be able to win a giveaway. It is open internationally, so you can go ahead and enter. It doesn't matter where you are. The products can be shipped to you if you do win. Alright, so the giveaway will be open until June 30th, so you have a long time to enter, and we're going to be picking the winner the 1st of July. So go ahead, feel free to enter. It doesn't matter where you are, the products can be shipped to you. Okay guys, so that's basically it. If you did enjoy the video, of course, don't forget to thumbs up the video, let me know that you liked it. I think I will be announcing the giveaway winner on my Instagram as well as on YouTube. So to find out if you won, go ahead, follow me there. All the links to my social media networks will be in the description bar below. And yeah, don't forget, follow Shopmystiquebeauty and all of that to see other products that she has to offer. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.
Your body hot like sun pan a bleacher. Baby, are you every man a feature? Cause you a good as dog, girl a creature. Swear to God, me nah leave.